well, the agenda is in the meeting invite, and I have posted it to various channels. So please do add something there if you have any last-minute additions to the agenda. But until then, let's get started. So I just have a quick item on there, which is not a demo, just to tell. Luca had presented last month that the WebEx tool, which is a developer tool for building extensions, now supports Chrome in addition to Firefox. So what that also means, as you can imagine, is that it supports any browser, any Chromium derived browser. So Edge, Brave, anything like that. So that's cool. And Luca talked about that already, but I just wanted to link to the blog post, and I have it up here. It's on Hex. There's also a demo that I won't play, but you can just go to the article and watch a demo of launching an extension in both Firefox and Chrome at the same time. And to me, that's super exciting because the WebEx tool is something that we really always wanted to provide as a way to develop browser extensions in both Chrome or Firefox. It's just what developers want to do. They're already developing, a lot of extensions are already targeting Chrome. So this is cool. This is something that took a lot of work to get to. We really wanted to make sure that everything was working in Firefox first, because there was a lot to figure out, like how we're setting up the environment in the browser for development, which is a little bit tricky. So with that said, definitely if anyone listening has some experience with developing Chrome extensions, then it would be great to try it out and try to see, what's like buggy there, what needs improvement, because it's just going to need to like be sort of gone through the paces with how people develop in Chrome. So yeah, that's pretty much it for me. I see that Will has something on here, and I think maybe I need to stop sharing my screen.
Or maybe you can go to AMO if you like. It's
Sure.
just a note about an update of AMO info. Maybe you want to open the first screenshot, I think, or use it directly. I don't know if that works.
Right. So I'm gonna try to pop it open, but I think
here it is. So yeah, small UI update, so that now we clearly see the difference between the front end and the server for applications that have both, because some application like Extension Workshop only has a front end, and so we can see like the data for the services we have. Nothing fancy, but I think that's a bit better than before.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, and I like how when looking at like what tag is deployed down here, it's super clear which project it is, because it's can be a little, like basically what I was talking about with Will, is it can get a little confusing if you're trying to figure out or in the old UI, it was a little bit confusing to figure out if the tag that's being deployed was for add-ons front end or add-on server. So that's better now. Thanks, Will. Thanks for doing that.
You're welcome. That's it.
All right. So if anyone has any last minute items, then
I do.
Yes. Great.
But
go ahead.
I'm going to be an access issue at the moment with the document that is on my end, so I can't add it to the document right now, but I'll add it later.
Do you want to share? Do you want to share, or should I just keep this open? And
sure, I will share if I can make this work. Let me see. Oh, I can't show what you're sharing. One moment. Share. Okay, I've got too many windows open. Which one is it? This one. Share. Okay, can you see?
Yeah, I see customized Firefox. Yeah.
Yes, I was just gonna quickly demo the new dev hub landing page, which is already on dev and it's on stage as well, and will be on prod shortly today. So not long to wait. It's been redesigned to match this kind of styling that Extension Workshop has. So just new graphics, new colors, new layouts. The footer is the front end style footer, which we haven't actually had on any of the Django served add-ons and add-on server pages so far. Yeah, that's basically about it. I mean, it's you know, responsive and so on, like you would expect. Can we just work? This is the logged out view with the kind of orangey colored top. And if I can switch to one easily. Anyway, I'll just log in to show you the other view. It shouldn't take a second. Okay, so let's log in. Assume this is actually going to work. Okay, I'm just going to switch to the other window. It's probably easier than doing that nonsense. Stop share and then share the other window. Can you now see a slightly different default landing page?
Yep, I see the logged in view. Yep.
Okay, cool. Yeah, this is the logged in view. So say the header is the same, but the actual content is different. These are my weird test add-ons that I upload on dev. And yeah, similar, same header footer at the bottom, but there's also an additional footer with some extra links for new users. And yeah, that's it.
Andrew, what is the image near the signing out? It's an avatar that is like stretched.
Yeah, that's an avatar. I uploaded a weird image in the past to test some of a bug that checked, because at some point in the past the avatar was like the CSS was broken, so it was like weird, and I haven't changed it since. So yeah, that's my weird avatar on dev.
Awesome. Thanks for sharing that, Andrew. I feel like it's been forever since we've had visual changes on the Dev Hub. So that's exciting.
Yeah, unfortunately, it's really only skin deep. It's just that page, just those 2 pages. Once you kind of click into the rest of it, it's still the old, like ancient one. But you know, fingers crossed, we can find some time to update the rest of the site too.
Yeah, still counts for something. All right. Well, that's looks like it's it for the agenda. Again, feel free to interrupt me if you got something else. But otherwise, yeah, thanks everyone for jumping on, even though it had a light agenda, and also adding last minute items. And until next month, have a good day, everyone. Bye.